Yes. Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the class of mathematics for standard 7th. And today it is the third video for this week, where I will explain expressing expanded form numbers into its normal numerical value. That means how to convert the expanded form number to normal numerical value. Okay, then you will see some miscellaneous questions, multiple choice questions of exercise 5C for the revision of this exponent chapter. Okay, so one by one I will discuss all these types of questions. First question is this, you can see, write the numerical value of expanded form. Given numbers, of the given expanded numbers, such as 5 into 10 to the power 4, 7 into 10 raised to the power 3, 6 into 10 raised to the power 2, 9 into 10 raised to the power 1, and 4 into 10 raised to the power 0. Then you know that 5 into 10 to the power 4 means 10,000. So multiply with 5. That is 5 into 10,000. It is 50,000. Now 10 to the power 3 is 1,000. Then 7 into 1,000 is 7,000 here. Stepwise you will convert. 6 into 100. 10 square is 100. So 6 into 100 is 600 plus 7 into 9 into 10 it is 90 plus 10 to the power 0 is 1 only. You know that 10 to the power 0 is 1. 0 power we are giving, then the result is 1. So here you can write that is 4 into 1 is 4. Now this you can add 50,000 and 7,000, 57,694. This you can write after adding 57,694. So this way you can convert the number, the expanded form of that number into its equivalent normal numerical value. Its numerical value is this one. So this way you can do. Okay. One more, you can see that of similar type that I am showing. If the number is given here 98, this is given 9 into 10 to the power 5, 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 square plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 and 2 into 10 to the power 0. So this you can write 10 to the power 5 is 1 lakh, 9 into 1 lakh is, because 5 zeros includes that 5 zeros. If there is 5 zeros, then that number is 1 lakh only. 9 into 1 lakh, 9 lakh, 3, 4, 5, plus 8 into 10,000. 10 to the power 4 is 10,000, 80,000. Okay, 4 zeros then. 7,000. 10 to the power 3 is 1,000 into 7. 7,000 plus 0 into any number, that is 0 only. So its 100 digit is 0. 10 square is 100. It is showing its place value here. 10 square is 100. So 100 digit is 0. Now next 10th digit, 10 to the power 1 is 10th digit is 5. 5 into 10. We will write that is 50 plus 10 to the power 0 again here 1. So we will write that 2 into 1 is 2. Now add this value 9 lakh 80,000, 87,000, 80,000 plus 7,000, 87,000, 0 at the place of 100, that is 0 digit is here, 100th digit is 0, 100 digit is 0, then you will write that 52. So you can say that 50 plus 2, 10th digit is 5 here, 5 into 10, 50. So the number is 9,87,052. It is the numerical value of this expanded form number. So this way you can convert, students. You can see. Okay. Now some miscellaneous questions for the objective exercise 5C. For the revision of this exercise, you see this. The number will be, if this question is given on the exercise, it is 2 to the power minus 1 minus 4 raised to the power minus 1. This number is given, and above that 1 power 2 is given. what you will write? This 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2. Reciprocal. Do the reciprocal of the base. 2 is base, minus 1 is exponent. When the power sign you will change, then you will write that if this number is, you can write that 1 by 2 to the power plus 1, bracket right here, minus it is 1 by 4. This 4 by 1. 4 is 4 by 1. This 4 is, the denominator of this 4 is 1. So 4 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 4. So if you have done the reciprocal of the base, here 4 is base and minus 1 is exponent. If you will do the reciprocal of base, then change the sign of exponent, minus 1 to plus 1. This is rule of laws of exponent. This is only you have seen that a by b, this is formula, to the power minus m. This is written here, I am showing a by b to the power minus m. This is equals to b by a, reciprocal the base and change the sign of exponent, minus m to plus m. So this is b by a raised to the power m. So this you can note down also, this formula. This only working here. Okay. So see this, give the power 2. Now this is what? 1 by 2. 1 power, then same result only. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. And outside power is 2, same. Not, there is no change in outside power. It is as it is. So write LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 2 into 2, 10, then 2 into 1. 4 into 1, then 4 into 1, then 1 into 1 in the numerator. 4 into 1 times this comes LCM. 1 into 1 time here upside. So we will get that exponent, write that exponent. 2 power 2 minus 1, 1 by 4. Ultimately you are getting 1 by 4 whole square means 1 square by 4 square means 1 by 16. Means you will say that number you will say, see that 1 by 4 whole square, you will write this 2 minus 1, 1 by 4 whole square. This square power is common power, so give to the numerator and denominator. This is 1 square by 4 square, so 1 by 16 is answer. Okay students, this way you can solve such questions. Yes, now the next question you will see this. Second number question, miscellaneous questions. This is given 1 by 3 whole square. Upside the power is 4 given. Okay. So power upon power concept here you have to use. And you will write that power upon power is multiplying is 2 into 4. You will do that. One power is 2 above given, and above that one more power is given, then that power you have to multiply only. Okay, because this rule we are using that when x by y to the power m and upside one more power is given, suppose that this number is given k power, m into k, that will multiply. It is x by y whole to the power m into k. This power, above that one more power, then that power will be multiplied. If there is one more power is there, so all the powers will multiply. Whatever power upon power the numbers are given, so all the exponents and this power will multiply and base will be same only. This I am using here. This you can note down formula. X by y, power is m, above that one more power k, that is x by y raised to the power m into k. Okay. And next you will write that this you will write 1 by 3 to the power 8. This way also you can give answer in simplified format only. Okay. Otherwise you can give this power to numerator and denominator, and you can convert in rational number also. Okay students, this you can see for understanding. Yes, now the next question is this. You see, this is question given third number, miscellaneous question. This is given 3 by 4 to the power raised to the power minus 1 plus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 1. Okay, when that upside one more power above this whole bracket, middle braces, you can give a minus 1 power. Then this you will first change the exponent sign and reciprocal the base. This is 4 by 3, above power is 1. Now plus 4 by 1, and this also give power is 1 now. Next minus 1 power upside. Okay, then you will write this 1 power means the result is same, only 4 by 3. Okay, it is equal to 4, and then you will give that here minus 1 power upside. This 4 means here 4 by 1 we can write, find the LCM of this 3 and 1, 3 into 1 time, and 1 into 4, add this value 4, 1 into 3 times this LCM comes, then 3 into 4, 12. After that this also write here minus 1 power, this is power from starting, 4 plus 12, 16 by 3. So this you will write that it is 16 by 3 raised to the power minus 1. Change the exponent sign, minus 1 to plus 1. Then you will write that, you see, you will write this, it is 3 by 16. 3 by 16. Now power is plus 1. Okay? Base reciprocal and power minus 1 to plus 1. So this is equals to 3 by 16 only, because in 1 power you will give on any number. 5 to the power 1 is also 5, 7 to the power 1 is also 7. 1 power you are giving on any number, then the result is the base only. Okay, the result is base. There is no change in the base. The result is 7 to the power 1 is 7, 8 to the power is also 8 only. So this is about this. Next question is given that, next question is this only. See, this is given 0 power 5 to the power 0 plus 6 to the power 0 plus 8 to the power 0. Right? What is the result? This expression. First find the value of each and every independent numbers. 5 to the power 0 is 1. This is also 1 and this is 1. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3. This way you can solve. Next question is this. Based on division. See, 2 by 5 to the power 6 divided by 2 by 5 to the power 9. So if the two exponential number is given and there is division operation between them, and the base is same, 2 by 5 is base and 9 is exponent, here 2 by 5 is base, 6 is exponent, then in the result, that means in the quotient of this division, you will write the base as it is same, only 2 by 5, and in the exponent write the difference of these given exponents. That means first number exponent minus second number exponent. So this is 6 minus 9, exponent of first number minus exponent of second number. We will write that 2 by 5 raised to the power 6 minus 9 is minus 3. More simplification, more simplified form you can find, that is 5 by 2 to the power plus 3. Okay, in rational number also you can get this value. It is this 3 power will, it is common power to the whole bracket. So this will come to numerator and denominator both. This is 5 cube by 2 cube. So you write that 5 cube is 125. 5 into 5 into 5 you will do, and 2 cube is 8. So this way in the rational number you can find the value of this. Okay students, I hope you have understood this. Yes, now one equation of exponential form that we have to solve using the laws of exponent. If the question is given 5 to the power 4 into 5 to the power n is equals to 5 raised to the power x. So here you can see the bases are same and the exponents are different and the numbers are multiplying. Then the exponent you will add and the base will be same. With this formula you are using, where a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m plus n. This formula we are using, you can note down that both the base is same and the numbers are multiplying, then in the result also product also you will write the same base, only add the exponents. If the exponent place, write the sum of the given exponents m and n. So this you will do, and then you will do this, that it is 5 to the power 13 equals to 5 raised to the power x. Now compare both the sides. You will write that by comparing both sides, we get what? X equals to 13. This you will get, because on both the sides the base is same, 5 and 5, and they are equal. They are equal here, it is written here. So that means their exponent is also equal. Then only these two values are equal. So you will say x equals to 13. Okay, that you can see by comparing both the sides. Okay, students. Yes, now next here this question 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9 raised to the power minus 1. First find the difference of these two. 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9. Take the LCM, denominators of LCM. This is 63. 7 into 9, then 9 into 1 you will do 9. 9 into 7 times this is same, then 7 into 1. So 9 minus 7, this is 2 by 63, and power is minus 1. Change the exponent sign, then it is 63 by 2 to the power plus 1, then the result is 63 by 2. For such questions you can solve that. Okay. Now now the next we can see this question 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9 to the power minus 1. Find the LCM of this denominator. 7 9 9 63, then 7 into 9 times, then 9 into 1 you will do 9. 9 into 7 times, then 7 into 1 7, power minus 1. Then it is 2 by 63 to the power minus 1. Change the sign of this exponent to plus 1 and reciprocal of the base. This is 63 by 2 to the power plus 1. This is equal to 63 by 2. Because 1 power you will give, then no change in the result. That is same base will be the answer, 63 by 2. So this way you can solve. You can see that. Yes. Now your homework is this only. That RS Agarwal exercise 5B question number 4 and exercise 5C question number 3 to 11. And this also you will do the NCERT exercise 13.3 question number 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, that is your homework for today class. So thank you all of you.